चलिए शुरू करते हैं. As we know, the carbohydrates are energy-giving food, so that their properties and biological significance of carbohydrates are: first of all, the carbohydrates are generally called as sugars. They are generally called as sugars and they are sweet in taste. इनका स्वाद कैसा होता है? मीठा होता है. Among all the sugars, all the carbohydrate, fructose is the sweetest. Fructose is the sweetest carbohydrate, and all the carbohydrates, the sugars, are solid at रूम टेम्परेचर. रूम टेम्परेचर पर ये सॉलिड होते हैं एंड दे ऑल आर मैक्सिमम आर soluble in water. They are soluble in water. Those carbohydrates which are aldoses, it means having aldehyde group. Aldehyde group is present as the functional group, so they react with alcohol to form, बना देते हैं acetal. So they form acetal. Those carbohydrate which are aldoses, it means the aldehyde group is present at the functional group. They react with alcohol to form acetal. Similarly, ketoses have ketonic from functional group and they react with alcohol to form ketones. They form ketones. So this is acetals and ketones. Monosaccharides are reducing sugar, whereas disaccharides and polysaccharides are non-reducing sugar. So these are the properties of carbohydrates. Now we will discuss the biological properties or significance of the carbohydrate. What are the biological properties or biological significance of carbohydrate? So there are so many biological properties, but among them some important are: first, as a source of energy. Carbohydrates are the source of energy. Actually, they are the primary source of energy. They are primary source of energy and they occur as a reserve food material in case of bacteria, plants and animals. Now, second is the source of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. As we know, the carbohydrates are made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So they are the source of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen in the cells for the synthesis of other macromolecules. So other than carbohydrate, there are many micromolecules which requires carbon, hydrogen and oxygen for their synthesis. So in this way, carbohydrates are also useful for the formation of other macromolecules in the cell. Now the third is as sweetener. Some sugars are sweet in taste, therefore they provide sweetness to the food. वैरायटी ऑफ फूड को स्वीटनेस प्रोवाइड करते हैं. Now next is glycolipids. Actually those carbohydrate containing lipids. ऐसे कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स जो लिपिड्स को कंटेन करते हैं are called as glycolipids, and these are one of the important component of the plasma membrane. In plasma membrane, glycolipids are present. Next, they are a rich source of dietary fiber. They provide high degree of fiber which are very essential for diet. So they include dietary fibers. Now next is ribose. Ribose is a sugar and it is the basic essential component of nucleic acid या we can say genetic material. क्योंकि genetic material में जैसे कि क्या है, DNA and RNA में जो sugar present होता है वो होता है ribose sugar. So it is the basic and essential component of DNA and RNA, ribose sugar. Next, important cell wall and exoskeleton. Cell wall and exoskeleton. As we know, cellulosic cell wall present in green plants. As we know, all the green plants have cell wall which is made up of cellulose. So cellulose is also a carbohydrate. Now next is peptidoglycan. Peptidoglycan is also a carbohydrate which is the cell wall of बैक्टीरिया. बैक्टीरिया की जो सेल वॉल होती है वो पेप्टाइडोग्लाइकॉन की बनी होती है. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज काइटीन. काइटीन इज ऑल्सो अ कार्बोहाइड्रेट विच इज प्रेजेंट इन द सेल वॉल ऑफ फंजाई. Cell wall of fungi and exoskeleton of arthropods. आर्थ्रोपोड्स के जो मेंबर हैं उनके सेल वॉल में काइटीन पाया जाता है. उनकी जो आउटर मोस्ट कवरिंग होती है इट इज मेड अप ऑफ काइटीन विच इज नोन एज एक्सोस्केलेटन. नाउ नेक्स्ट very important biological significance, a process which is known as glycosylation. Glycosylation. Next is glycosylation is the attachment of sugar moieties to any other मैक्रोमोलिक्यूल. किसी भी मैक्रोमोलिक्यूल से जब शुगर का अटैचमेंट होता है तो दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज ग्लाइकोसाइलेशन. अदर मैक्रोमोलिक्यूल, इट मे बी a protein, so this is called as glycosylation. Now next is anticoagulant. Heparin is an anticoagulant which is present in the blood. So heparin is also a carbohydrate which prevents blood clotting होने से रोकता है. कौन? heparin. And heparin is also a carbohydrate. Now next is blood group. जो ABO blood group system है, ABO blood group system में ब्लड ग्रुप के डिटर्मिनेशन के लिए कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स यूज किए जाते हैं. एंड दीज कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स act as antigen in the determination of ABO blood group. Now next is industrial use. Industrial uses, there are so many carbohydrates which are used in several industries. Very important, cellulose which is सबसे ज्यादा प्रेजेंट है ये सेलुलोज, और इसका यूज होता है पेपर इंडस्ट्री में. उसके बाद स्टार्च, ग्लूकोज और फ्रक्टोज, दे आर यूजफुल इन fermentation and brewing industry. तो brewing industry और fermentation में यूज किया जाता है स्टार्च, ग्लूकोज और फ्रक्टोज का. So these are the some important properties and biological significance of the carbohydrate.